Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which device you will disconnect and why. This avoids accidental outages. Once you know the target, save any unsaved work and tell people who rely on the connection. Next, find the physical controls: power switch on the router, Ethernet jacks, and your device's Wi-Fi toggle. Keep a screwdriver nearby for panel access. Make sure you have alternative access like mobile data if you need to restore service quickly, and proceed to the first physical step now. Once done with preparations, perform the actual disconnection. Unplug the Ethernet cable from the router or switch and turn off Wi-Fi in the device settings so it cannot auto-reconnect. If you need a stronger cutoff, power down the modem or router and remove any backup battery. This severs the ISP link. On a computer, disable the network adapter in the operating system. On phones, use airplane mode. Make sure to confirm no devices remain connected, and double-check indicator lights for zero activity. To finish, verify the cut. Attempt to load a web page or run a quick speed check. You should see no connection. If some devices still access the internet, inspect for secondary access points, repeat the modem/router power cycle, and ensure DNS or tethering features are off. If lights remain active, try disconnecting upstream cables. Finally, to restore service, reverse the steps in order while monitoring indicator lights. If problems continue, keep a short log of changes for support to speed troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.